Hey, and welcome to our guide on how to set up Tableau dashboards in Fugo. So first, you want to go to your Tableau account. And for the purposes of this guide, I'm going to create a new user. So the first thing I'm going to do is add the email address. In this case, it's my email address. And then I'll add the user to this workspace. And then make sure I set their authentication to MFA, which means that they'll need to be authenticated to log in. And this is the way you'll be able to access any secure dashboards on your account. So now that I've created this user, I'm going to log out of the admin and then log into my email. So tim@fugo.ai. And now sign in using my credentials. And then now upon signing in, I'll be asked to register a verification method. So in this case, we're going to use the one-time password generator and then a two-factor authentication app. And I'm going to set up this account manually as well, instead of using a QR code. So you want to copy and paste your key, and you also want to make sure you save this key somewhere for later because we'll need that in a future step. I can't stress that enough. You'll need that information. And then you want to give the account a name on your two-factor app, and then also add the email that you've used to log in. And then you can enter the verification code to sign in from there. Now that you've signed into the account, you want to go to a dashboard. So in this case, we're going to use a sample Superstore dashboard, just as an example. And you want to go to your dashboard and then copy the link to that, as you'll need that for later as well when we add it to the Fugo dashboard. There we go. So after that, you want to navigate to the dashboards page on Fugo and create a new dashboard. In this case, we're going to search for Tableau just to open that up. And then you'll need to install the extension, which will allow you to record the steps you take to log into the Tableau dashboard. Once we've got that installed, you'll also need to enable incognito permissions. So I'm just allowing them here. And then you can close all of that down. When you press continue, it will open up the recorder, but we can close that for now, as we need to paste in the link from earlier to the Superstore dashboard. So you can paste that in, and you'll just put in the share link to the dashboard you want to display. And then once that is pasted in, we can hit go, and this will open up the recorder again. So now you'll need to record the steps to log into the account. In this case, it's the account that I set up earlier. So you just log in and make sure you accept all cookies, and then sign in using the credentials. In this case, I'm just typing in the information step by step rather than using autofill, just to be sure this works. Hit sign in. And then you'll need the verification code from the 2FA that we set up earlier. So you paste that verification code in. And then now, as we're logged in, the dashboard will appear. This is your secure dashboard. And then at this stage, you can press Capture Dashboard. And then you will be prompted to enter the secret key from earlier that I stressed the importance of. You want to paste that in there and press OK. And then now the dashboard will load. You may need to go into advanced settings to increase the pause duration, and then also tick the reuse cookies setting. Sometimes the dashboard won't load without those settings changed. And then it can also take some time for the dashboard to load, but once it does, you can give it a name and then add it to any of your TV screens within the Fugo Studio. This is just a very quick guide, so if you have any further questions or any troubles with setting up your dashboards for Tableau or any of the other dashboards that we offer support for, feel free to reach out and we can help you with that. Thanks.